This video is about our major project on drowsiness detection. Firstly, for the user to use this application, he or she needs to create a new account to log in into the system. In the new user registration, as shown on the screen, the user needs to fill in their particulars and password. Example, if the user enters a weak password to log in, the system will interact with the user by showing an alert message to change the password. After the system approves the password strength, the user has now successfully created an account and good to go. The user details will be stored in the phpMyAdmin server. In the future, if the user has forgotten the password, the user could go to the login page and click Forget Password to replace the old password. The user has to enter his or her email and enter their new password. Once the user changes his password, the old password in the local host will be replaced by the new one. Therefore, now the user can use his or her new password. When typing the password to log in, if the user is unsure if he or she pressed the wrong key, the user could always use the show password to ensure. Once the user is logged in, the user could check his previous data by clicking on the plot graph. In a new tab, the user could choose between I and Yon graph to see the data on their interest. By turning on the open cam and detect, the front camera will open and detects the user eye and mouth ratio and display it on the top right hand corner. If the user closes his or her eyes for long, a beep sound is given to alert the user driving. Apart from that, if the user closes his eyes for long, an SMS will be sent to the number registered on the login page through WhatsApp, indicating emergency, user is drowsy. The data of both eye and yawn ratio will be stored in the local drive in Excel format. For the user to have clear vision on the data are highlighted red if the values go above and below yawn and eye ratio respectively. Apart from that, other values will be highlighted green, so the user need not waste time on researching for the mistakes. This program is thoroughly done using Python coding. Thank you for your time.